Today we're at the Electrify Expo here at the Nassau Coliseum in Long Island, New York.
Just sign for me.
So when you first enter, you're greeted by this big, huge, like, Electric Expo sign. Kind of cool. Just stand up, shoot a photo. First up is Toyota. They're like the first ones here. As soon as you enter, you pass the sign. Prius. If you like the Prius, it's here. Toyota doesn't really seem to focus much on all electric, but Volvo over here on the other hand, definitely all electric. Wife loves a Volvo. Anything that has big safety features. The glass roof, really nice touch from front to back. Soft leather kind of a feel. Rugged, but not exactly premium feeling. There's nothing there. No gear, no nothing. XC40 starts at like 52, and this one, just the C40, starts at like 53. It's the only one I want to test drive. Mach EX cooler. We got the Hummer EVs over here. Need a Hummer in your life. Yeah, GMC's got a truck too. Huh? Cybertruck's not the only one rocking electric. GMC's got it going on. Denali truck, how do you like that? Of course you got Lucid. Ooh, let's take a look at Lucid's motor. They got some of their parts on display here. Is this wild or what? Damn, look at those specs. Two-way charging power. This is insane. Damn, I didn't even know Lucid had SUVs. This one's the Gravity. Wow. Nice. I didn't even know they make jeez, 800 horsepower, 0 to 63.5 seconds, 440 miles projected range. Wow, these batteries are getting much better. Battery tech's definitely improving. More frunks. This one's got like some Tesla wheels over here. I can assure you it is not a Tesla. It is a Lucid. Look at this. This one opens like a 1980s trunk or 70s trunk. It's kind of weird. The windscreen just goes all the way up. That's dope. Screen is more of a tilt version, and it's got your regular display electronic screen over here too. So we'll see if we can test drive this one too. Lucid Air. I don't know which edition this is, but we'll find out once we get in here.
This is an Air Pure. Air Pure. So it's our base model, rear-wheel drive, single motor in the back. Still tons of fun to drive. Still over 400 miles of range, and all the space and creature comforts you'd expect inside.
This car is just classic.
Right.
I will say that.
Is this your first time driving a Lucid?
Yeah.
That was really cool. The left side's more like utility. You've got front, headlights, windshield wipers. Those will always be there. Center, you've got your speed, charge remaining, and then a quick view of what's going on this screen is more infotainment. So you've got maps, music, and then you can also talk to the screens. So you've got maps on both screens, so you can just pinch, zoom, you can type, look for charging, and then stow it away, and you still have this little view up here.
Wow. Wow, this car is so smooth. Oh my gosh. Wow.
How's the back seat?
Now.
Smooth.
Plenty of room back there?
Wow.
Yeah.
Now I know why meet Kevin loves this car.
You know how certain cars in the back seat you're like, oh my gosh, it's really hot? Okay.
Oh wow. No, it's fast, but it's smooth.
Right.
It's so well tuned. This is the smoothest accelerating, smooth and fast. Wow. So when you go into sprint mode, does it like change the whole dynamics of the car and the feel and everything?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so you could try sprint.
You want to jump to sprint?
Yeah, just do it.
So you'll feel steering gets a little tighter, accelerator gets a little punchier.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. This is just the rear wheel drive.
This is exactly, it's the base model.
This is base?
Drive. Exactly, yes.
Wow.
So the Grand Touring, which we have out here, it has all-wheel drive. It also
I
has
really
a
like
front
the
motor.
smooth. Just
Right.
the way it puts the power down. It's like I can't describe it.
And it does so confidently too. It's not like off the walls acceleration. but you feel pretty secure.
Yeah, the Sprint does feel a little off the wall, but that's good. You have the option.
That's what it's
if
for.
you want, right?
Right.
It's really nice.
You
Really
know-
nice. I could drive this car from state to state comfortably. Regen braking is good too. It's standard, right, for the regen braking?
Yeah. There's also a low setting. You can't turn it completely off. But once you get used to the one pedal driving, it's great.
Oh yeah, I prefer one pedal. Why use two pedals when one does?
Exactly.
I think like this is a car you would really love to drive.
I know.
This car is just mint.
I know.
And you look very comfortable back there compared to the
I'll
other.
be honest with you, I am.
You'll
Yeah.
go straight.
Because I have two grown men
Straight
sitting
up,
in front
straight.
of me, and I still have leg room. I don't feel like it's doing my knees or touching my leg.
You don't feel cramped at all?
No.
It's good.
And you keep it. I'm 6'4" and in my seating position.
Okay.
So that's you have a full adult in front of you.
This has everything.
Yeah, and you still get kind of a nice mix of materials. You have some soft touch, open pore wood, and a sharp right, and just watch this curve.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you both. Glad you want to have this.
I am happy as a clam.
Awesome. Good to meet you.
Right.
Thank you. We'll see you later.
Nice. Of course, you got the Teslas. Everybody has seen the Teslas. The Model S, Model 3, and of course, the Cybertruck. What I call the driving triangle. I can't wrap my head around this. I need to drive this to figure out what is it I'm missing in my life. I really need to know. Check out the line for the Model X. Nobody. The line for the Model 3 and the Model S. Literally nobody's over there. Literally. But this line, it's insane. It's going all the way back on this side. All the way back. Tesla triangle.
My name is Abbas. How are you doing?
Boss Xavier.
Nice to meet you, Xavier.
Right.
The difference of this vehicle is that in order to go into drive, we're going to swipe up.
Love
That'll
it.
put it into drive. Tap P to go into park.
Nice.
Turn signals on the steering wheel. And that is what we will need for today's drive. So whenever you're ready, put your foot on the brake. We'll swipe it to drive and put our foot on the gas.
You don't have to turn a lot to get a lot of turn.
Right?
That's cool. Less work for the driver. That's why you don't need that big steering wheel.
Right. And especially that a big truck.
Oh, wow.
It's a nice thing to have for a big car.
Yeah. I've never felt anything like this. So all four wheels are like doing the turning thing, right?
Exactly, right? That's basically what it is.
Sounds like a plane. It definitely sounds like a plane. Interesting. Very techy. No levers to turns. Everything's press
Right.
button. The regen braking is good.
Right. Yep,
That's good.
We'll go through and then we'll be on the furthest left lane.
Oh my god.
Nice little pickup to it.
Oh gosh, nice braking too. Smooth.
Is this the one that's gonna win you over?
I don't know. I really, to be honest, I don't like the looks, but gosh, it drives so nice. Wow. 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 I honestly feel like an airplane pilot. This feels like it's gonna take off and just start going up. It sounds like it.
Right.
Yeah, this is wild. Wildly different. And when I look at some people, I'm like, there isn't much headroom, but I don't feel congested at all. But I'm not very tall. I'm like 5'8", so.
This is the dual motor. The Cybertruck is the minimum dual motor,
Mm-hmm.
and up into the tri-motor.
It feels a lot better than it looks. Outside, it looks like some sort of military vehicle, but
Still just a unique,
different for sure. I love the sound of the motor. Kind of cool. The steering to me is like the most impressive thing. I've never driven a vehicle that where all four wheels kind of
Right.
play a part. I feel like
it is my favorite feature of this vehicle.
I feel like that should be standard on all vehicles. 'Cause
Right.
when you turn, it just feels so natural.
Right.
You know, why should I have to be just to make a little turn and then sometimes no? This is just. I think they nailed it on the turning. It's just so intuitive. Never have to worry about not making it. That's
the biggest thing,
Like,
especially for like a truck.
yeah,
That's a good sign of relief.
yeah. I mean, like whoever engineered this, yeah, hats off to the engineering team. So now I get the steering wheel, because I used to look at the steering wheel and I'd be like, I don't get it. Like, why do you need like a half wheel? How are you gonna make a turn? Well,
Yeah.
there you go. it makes it easy for you. See if I can make that turn.
You'll make it.
Easily.
You'll
Oh
make
my
it.
God, there's no question about it.
Right.
That's insane.
Right. No reverse needed. Nothing. Just.
You got it.
Just gonna put it
Yep. Maneuver is a piece of cake on this bad boy.
That's it.
Hit the brake and tap
park.
to park.
Love it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
I hope you guys enjoyed.
He did.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too.
I gotta say, even though the Tesla is like the ugliest thing, the Cybertruck is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. The way that thing drives with the four-wheel steering is just so intuitive. I never want to drive another vehicle without that four-wheel steering capability. It's so intuitive. The vehicle's so easy to maneuver, so easy. I could just imagine parking that vehicle. It's going to be a dream. Damn, even Porsche's going electric, huh? Look at that. Porsche. You need a Porsche in your life? Man, this SUV looks wild. I think, oh wow, can we test drive this? That would be nice. That would definitely be nice. Look at that dashboard. This Porsche does feel luxurious. I definitely like to test drive this bad boy too. Massive wheels. Whew, this one's got the purple vibes. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Porsche's gone crazy over here. Gosh. Bucket style luxury seats. Nice. Branded, of course. Look at that color. Damn. You really got to know what you're doing. It's got a gearbox. Now that's an easy motorbike. You need your truck converted to electrical in your life? Yeah, it's doable. You can go electric. See that? No engine in there. How about the Back to Future electric, huh? Back to the Future electric. There you go. There you go. We're going back to the future, all right. Look at that. Through and through. We're going through, guys. That's a Rivian, boy. That's a Rivian. You need a Rivian in your life. Premium. Quality. This is a quality truck right here. Gosh, look at cargo room. Room for days. Pretty much wraps it up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos. If you're into drones, check out my LUTs at www.dronexfactor.com. If you like what you see here and you want to support the channel, head over to my Patreon, link in the description below. And it's only $1 a month. That's $12 a year, and that helps to keep this channel going. With that being said, guys, a pleasure sharing my day with you. I hope you found some interesting content or you got some value from this video. And I will see you guys, well, long before the next expo.